Hi, my name's Lauren from ACA, and today we're going to talk about the difference between say and tell. Many English learners have a very hard time with say and tell. Often, students will translate, and this creates a lot of problems. In this video, we're going to talk about the differences and how to use them appropriately. So let's start by saying there isn't much of a difference between say and tell. With say, you speak words to convey information. In tell, you speak words to convey information to someone. Let's look at this in more detail. Let's start with tell. Tell requires an indirect object, a recipient, a person, or people. For example, I told Jim about the conference. We don't say, I said Jim about the conference. You tell someone something. Say requires a direct object, a thing, a subject, a what. For example, John said that he needed Monday off. We say something. Like I mentioned before, say and tell don't really have different meanings. We can and often do use them interchangeably, as long as we use the correct structure. For example, John told me that he got the new job. John said that he got the new job. Obviously, tell allows us to convey the hearer, whereas say doesn't have that same freedom. If the object is reflexive, myself, yourself, themselves, himself, herself, ourselves, you need to use tell. For example, I told myself I would quit smoking. This is a good sentence, whereas I said myself I would quit smoking. It's not a good sentence. Other times, it's very necessary to mention the hearer. For example, John told Jane that he loved her. John said, I love you. Very different meaning. Let's go back to one sentence. Remember this one? John said that he got a new job. This is an example of reported speech. This is a very important aspect of say and tell. Reported speech is used when we want to talk about what somebody has said. For example, direct speech, I like chocolate. Reported speech, she says that she likes chocolate. Remember, when you use reported speech, you have to change the person. Another difficult part is with idioms. There are very particular idioms with say and tell, and they can be very difficult to use. Here is a list of the more common ones. This is not a complete list. Tell a joke, tell a lie, tell the truth. As far as I can tell, to tell on someone. My gut tells me to tell someone's fortune, to tell it like it is, to tell people apart, tell a story, time will tell, show and tell, kiss and tell, have the final say, have a say. Let's not and say that we did. I cannot say for sure. Needless to say. Say it, don't spray it. Say out loud. Says who? You don't say. Do as I say, not as I do. Well, you know what they say. You can say that again. What I say goes. So hopefully you have a better understanding of the difference between say and tell. If you like this, please check out our website, lesbonmots.ca, for more videos as well as our podcast and blog. Bye for now.